ASUS ScreenPad is the revolutionary new way to interact with your laptop. To get started, swipe down from the top of ScreenPad to show the ScreenPad toolbar. Tap any ScreenPad app icon on the ScreenPad toolbar to launch the app. ScreenPad apps run in ScreenPad. Make quick work of those numbers with the handy Calculator app. Or check your Windows calendar schedule at a glance in the Calendar app. ScreenPad apps save you time and are fun to use. The Music app lets you play your favorite tracks in ScreenPad while you're working other tasks. Set the soundtrack to your day with your favorite music playlists. Launcher is a ScreenPad app that gives you instant and customizable access to your Windows apps. Some Windows apps are specially adapted to work with ScreenPad. For example, you can work easier and more efficiently with Microsoft Office. With fingertip control of features like text size, fill colors, presentation mode, and more. Tap the Edit icon to personalize the Launcher app list. You'll see the list of apps appear. Just tap an item in the list to add or remove it from Launcher. There are also some special browser extensions for ScreenPad, such as the YouTube Player extension for the Chrome web browser. This lets you control videos from ScreenPad independent of the main display. In ScreenPad settings, you can adjust the brightness of ScreenPad, or use any image on your laptop as the ScreenPad background. Press the F6 function key to turn ScreenPad on or off at any time. When it's off, it works as a normal touchpad. Check for great new apps and features on the Windows Store by opening the Settings panel and clicking Get More Apps. ScreenPad apps can be downloaded and installed just like an ordinary Windows app. New ScreenPad apps are automatically added to the toolbar. Discover a world of endless possibilities with ScreenPad.